Dispose of removed old bathroom flooring safely and efficiently so your vinyl plank installation starts on a clean, hazard-free surface. Start by assessing the materials you removed and separate them into clear streams. Peel and stick tiles and their underlayment tend to be sticky and should go into heavy-duty contractor bags by themselves to prevent contaminating paper and cardboard recycling. If the floor is older than 1980 and you see brittle tiles or a dark adhesive layer, assume there could be asbestos until a professional test says otherwise, and do not disturb those materials further. For wood subfloor or plywood scraps that are dry and free of paint and adhesive, you can cut them down and take them to a wood recycling center or a municipal yard waste drop-off so they are diverted from landfill. Small amounts of metal, such as nails, trim, or fasteners, can be bundled and recycled at a scrap metal facility. Remove as much non-metal contamination as possible so the recycler accepts it. For mixed debris that cannot be recycled, double bag wet or contaminated pieces and secure them to prevent leaks during transport, and choose a disposal facility that accepts construction and demolition waste. Keep personal protective equipment on hand, such as a rated dust mask, gloves, and eye protection, and ventilate the space while sweeping with a shop vacuum fitted with a high-efficiency particulate filter to minimize airborne dust before laying new vinyl plank. 3 common mistakes are assuming all old flooring is safe, mixing incompatible waste streams, and underpreparing the site for dust control. Treat older tile and adhesives as potentially hazardous rather than assuming they are inert. When in doubt, pause and get a bulk sample tested by a certified lab. Do not mix peel and stick tiles with clean wood or metal because sticky residues make recycling centers reject loads. Instead, bag sticky materials separately and label them so disposal staff know what to expect. Do not skip dust control and personal protection. Use a high-efficiency particulate filter on your vacuum, moisten dusty surfaces slightly before scraping, and wear gloves and a mask so you do not inhale fibers or embed particles in cuts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like flooring removal and vinyl plank installation, and we provide a discussion community where people share local disposal tips, contractor recommendations, and real-world experiences. We make it easier for homeowners to find nearby contractors and for contractors to find work through project leads and community conversations.